Hi, I'm Dr. Soma Sarkar. I'm a practicing dermatologist and an aesthetic physician. I've been practicing in Mumbai for last 8 years.
Hi, I'm Dr. Zubin Mandlewala. I'm a practicing dermatologist and aesthetic physician practicing in Mumbai for the last 5.5 years.
Today, we are going to talk about Botox, which is the most popular thing used for anti-aging treatments.
Botulinum toxin, commonly known as Botox, is a purified protein injection which is used to relax the muscles of facial expression and thereby giving a youthful appearance.
There is a lot of misconceptions about Botox in the market, but to be very frank to you, Botox is a simple injectables which can be used to relax your facial muscles, basically making your skin more younger, more radiant, and you will have a youthful looking skin. Now I know that Botox, people say that if you completely do it repetitive times, you might get a plastic look. But nowadays, we doctors go through a very conservative approach where we inject whatever is required, only that much. So we try to retain a little bit of your lines and expressions so that you look completely natural without looking absolutely plastic.
Well, it is important to understand that Botox are injections in certain areas of the face. More prominently on the upper area of the face, we concentrate on the forehead muscles, which is known as the frontalis, towards the side of the eyes, which is known as the crow's feet, and towards the middle, which is known as the glabellar complex. Depending on which area is to be treated and the number of units required, certain amount of packages are given to the patients. For example, if you're treating the forehead, you can think about anywhere between 4,000 to 7,000 rupees for these injections. The good thing is at AboutFace, we have customized packages for our clients that suits their needs and which is available to all the masses.
The best part about doing Botox is that you can do it at a very young age to a very elderly age. Secondly, it can be done within a half an hour to 1 hour's time. So it's a kind of lunchtime procedure. The patient can go back to the office immediately after your injectable, and there is no downtime to this procedure. Is it, Dr. Zubin?
That's perfectly said. I mean, there is no downtime for the procedure. The only thing that we would say would be a con is that you may get a little bit of redness and a little pinprick sensation, but we have measures for that as well. So we give the local anesthesia cream just prior to the injection, maybe half an hour prior to that, and then we go on with the procedure. Basically, Botox lasts for 4 to 6 months on an average. At times, we see and cater to the patient's needs. For example, if there are important events in their life or important functions to attend, then we may do Botox just before that function, maybe 10 to 15 days prior to that function.
The best part is that you don't have to get addicted to this treatment. If you feel that after 4 and 6 months you don't want to go ahead with it, it's absolutely fine and okay. Your results will not get bad to worse. You will come back to the normal state, what you were before you did this procedure. Botox as a therapy, because it's an injectable, has to be always done by a skilled practitioner. And the best thing about AboutFace is, here all the doctors are certified, well trained, and the clinic itself is certified to do all these kind of procedures.
I'd also like to add that privacy of the patient is very important and it is kept confidential.
Secondly, the prices are summed up into such a beautiful packages that a simple college-going girl to a middle-class homemaker can avail these treatments here. I'm sure that we both have answered most of your questions and queries, but if you still feel that there are certain things which you want to know more about Botox, please walk into AboutFace, take a consultations with our doctors, and we will do the best for you.
At AboutFace, we have a basket of therapies available and catered to the right patient at the right time. For example, we have peels, we have lasers, we have Altera. So depending on what you need or what your demand is, we are there to help you out.